I'm going to be trying to fix an old, yucky, moldy slime. How old even is this? Oh, I can't do this. Hello everyone, and welcome to my slime lair. Hey guys, it's me, Txunamy.
Welcome back to my channel.
So today, I'm going to be trying to fix an old, yucky, moldy slime. Basically, I have all these things to use and try to fix this disgusting green slime. Can I do it? I think yes. The challenge has been accepted. Let's do this. Alright guys, so here is this old yucky slime. How old even is this? It's green and moldy and watery. I think I made this when I was like 6. That was like 4 years ago. When you play with it, you're like, I don't want to stop. Oh! Ugh. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, how dare you? Make sure you subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post something new. Give this video a big thumbs up and watch the whole video. And comment down below if you ever tried fixing a disgusting old moldy slime. Alright guys, let's
Do this!
Alright, so yuck! So here is the slime. I would tilt it, but it's about to fall. So here it is, and it's all watery and green.
Bruh.
Oh my god, that stinks! Oh, it smells like...
No.
I can't do this. No. No, it's not happening. Peace. Peace. No. Having to do this for you guys. I got this. No. Yes. No. Yes. 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 We're doing this. Oh my god, it's all spotty. Are you seeing this? There's like, oh, that just popped. Ew. All right, here we go. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh my god. Ew. How old even is this? Like, are you kidding me?
What?
Okay, out. Oh my god. Look how much water is there. What? Is that a hair? There's a hair. Okay. That is not mine, okay? That is
Not the color of my hair.
Oh, that is not mine. Oh my god, there's so much water spilling out of this. Sorry, it's just so jiggly. Alright, so here it is. I mean, it's not... Oh, yuck! Alright, so there are many holes in this, but here it is. Oh, yuck. And it's really hard now, as you can see. Really hard when it used to be really gross and watery. I don't know if I can save this, honestly. But here are all my glues and my magical liquid. And I'm gonna try to fix this. Who knows, I might just be able to save a slime. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna start off. Okay, so I'm gonna add this. So we're gonna add this. Here it goes.
That was disgusting.
Oh my god.
And now because I forgot to get utensils, we're just gonna be mixing it with my hand. Oh my gosh, guys, no lie, I am not sure I can save this. This is like unsavable. Oh, that stinks. Oh my god, that stinks. Oh, what is happening? It can't get any worse than this. Come on, can it? So we're gonna add a little pink. And here she blows. So now that I've added the pink, I'm going to mix it. Oh, it's all sticky now. Alright guys, so far the color is not changing. I'm starting to get really worried. I have no colors that can get any lighter than this green. We're just gonna see if we can fix it. But so far, I don't think it's gonna work.
What?
Although it's getting really glittery, I can give you that. Oh my god. Alright, so I've done this and there's no way that the color is gonna change, so we're just gonna have to stick with the green. But I do wanna add a lot more glitter, so we're just gonna dump this whole thing. And we're just gonna... So I want you guys to comment down below if you guys have ever had a green, disgusting, old, moldy slime. Don't know. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, holy cow. So that is really sticky, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little magical liquid. I have officially gotten my hand stuck.
Bruh.
Oh my god. There's no saving this. The color is actually kind of pretty. Here it is. So now I'm just gonna keep activating and activating and activating and activating until this is no longer sticky. Which is gonna be never, because this is so old. No. Why does this feel like glue? Yeah! And it's very, very stringy. This is amazing. This is amazing. You know what? I'm totally gonna fix this. Yeah, you know? Maybe we'll just add a little blue. Yeah, the blue's gonna save it. This blue is totally gonna save it. Totally gonna get saved. Totally, totally, totally gonna get saved. I'm gonna make a different batch of slime. Totally separate one. Then I'm gonna mix it.
I'm gonna mix it.
What?
And so now we're gonna mix this beautiful blue with this ugly green. And start making it swirl. Ooh. Here is my swirl. Alright guys, well, this was a total fail. I really tried my best, but I could not save the slime. As you can see, there's very weird stringy stuff sticking out of the slime. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I sure had a really fun time trying to save this. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to. You can't even see the blue anymore. And yeah, have a good day, guys. Love you. Bye. The hair is still there. The hair is still there. I'm out. Bye-bye.